is Teresa. Welcome back to Foodie Friday at the Box Springs Library. Today we're going to make blueberry chia jam. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with some frozen blueberries. I did buy this ahead of time in the freezer section. You can, if you have fresh is better. So this recipe you can make with any kind of fruit. It doesn't have to be blueberries. It's perfect for end of the summer because you can use up any of the fruit that is getting a little too ripe. Wash them up, clean them up, put them in your freezer, and you can just pull them down whenever you want to make this recipe. Alrighty, just a little tip. I have some chia seeds. These are black chia seeds. You can use whatever kind of chia seeds you have. You're going to need a splash of lemon juice. And normally I would use honey. I didn't have any honey, so I'm going to use a little bit of sugar, okay? So you need a saucepan. I have it on medium heat. And we're going to take 2 cups of our blueberries, okay? So my measurements are half cups. So we're going to get 4 of these. Well, we're just eyeballing it. It's a morning, I tell you. I was going to measure it out, but the universe has different measures for me. Oh, okay. So we have this going on. We're not putting the chia seeds in right now. We are going to put the lemon juice and the sugar, and we're going to let it reduce and render out, okay? So we need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And this is a half a tablespoon. So we're going to do 2 of these. Okay. And then you would need 2 tablespoons of your honey or your sugar. You could even use a sugar substitute for that to truly keep it sugar-free. Alright guys, we're going to continue to cook this down until it's nice and liquidy. It takes about 10 minutes, so we'll be back. Okay, we're back. It's been 10 minutes. Now we're going to get ready to add our chia seeds. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And I don't have a potato masher, which is really what you need. So I'm just going to use the back of this ladle, and we're going to smash the blueberries as much as possible to break them down. Because you want all of that goodness out of those little berries. You could also use the back of a fork or a spoon, which is really what we're doing. But you want to make sure it's a big enough spoon that you're getting pressure on those berries. Okay, so I've smashed them up as best I can. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So mine's a half one, so we're adding 4. 4. Now you're just going to stir this up until it gets to the consistency that you want. Chia seeds, whenever they get added to water or to liquid, they get into a gelatinous stage, which is what's causing your jam. Again, if you want to replace the sugar with stevia or another substitute like monk fruit or honey, then you can make it a sugar-free jam, which would be perfect for somebody who's diabetic or trying to watch their weight. Once this gets to the consistency, we're going to put it into a jar, okay? This will keep into your refrigerator for 1 week. And then if you want to put it and make it ahead and put it in your freezer, it will keep for 1 month. If you want to strain it, if you want a thinner, silkier consistency, you could strain it if you wanted to, but to me that makes it more like a jelly and less like a jam. I like the chunky fruit, so it's up to you and your taste. And you can see we are getting to a thicker consistency. We're just going to let it cook down until we get that way we want it. I really wish y'all had smell-o-vision. This smells heavenly. Alright, I think we're at the consistency we want. So we're going to turn this off. And I'm going to remove this from the heat. And we're going to let this cool down to room temperature before we go and put it into our jar, okay? So we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. You can see it's really thick. That's the way we want it. We're going to slowly add it to our jar. I'm trying to get the best angle for you. It's kind of hard. That should do it. And we're just slowly feeding it into the jar. To the top. Alright. Oh, trip. Gotcha. Alrighty. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this edition of Foodie Friday, making your own fruit and chia seed jam. Remember to like, share, comment. We love seeing your creations. And until next time, bon appetit.